Hi there, Martin here from Make Money Even. I'd like to introduce you to our amazing affiliate program. There is no other affiliate program out there doing what we are doing today. And pay close attention, because I'm going to show you why you may not have made any money with any other affiliate program. I'm going to show you why even if you did make money, you didn't make much money with it. We did our research and we found certain roadblocks that actually stop you from making money. And every single program and company that we researched that has an affiliate program all had these same roadblocks. Well, they may not have had every single one of them that I'm about to share with you right here today, but they had at least one or two of them. And this is really big. The worst one, the biggest roadblock of all that stopped you from making money, every single program had that roadblock, every single one of them. But that's okay, be happy, because we have removed these roadblocks from Make Money Even's affiliate programs. That's why right now, here, look at me, I guarantee that you will make money with our affiliate program on your very first day. The very first day, you're going to make money with our affiliate program. I can even go on to tell you that, let's say you only become a basic member and that's all you do is become a basic member. On your very first day, you at the very least are going to break even with Make Money Even. And by that, mean that when you pay your very small membership fee, you're going to make at least that much money on your very first day. So pay attention to what I'm about to tell you, because this applies to all these other programs out there, and I'm going to show you how we have removed that. Then I have two very short videos I want you to watch. They're going to show you two ways that you can make big money with Make Money Even. If you follow the recipes that we show you, it's very easy. Can you copy and paste? If you don't know how to copy and paste, we'll show you how to do that. But through copy and pasting, we're going to show you how you can build a big income engine for yourself with our affiliate program. So let's go ahead and dive into this, and then you can watch those next two videos. Okay, now I'm going to reveal 6 roadblocks that stop you from making money with all these other programs, all these other businesses that have affiliate programs. Now I'm going to give you 5 of them right now, and I'm going to save the 6th one, the biggest one, for last, because this last one it's in every program out there, every affiliate program, every business that we have checked, it is there, and it's the number one roadblock that stops you from making money. Okay, so first of all, the first roadblock we'll talk about is the expense of the program. Most programs are just too expensive. You know, they may start at $35, $50, $100, $200, $500. I've seen them in the thousands, and it's just a little bit up too high for most people to get into. Okay, because you know, when you start, you usually want to get into an affiliate program so you can start making money, right? And that's the whole goal. So you can't really afford to spend a lot of money. So these programs are set up that you have to spend X amount of dollars. You know, so if you don't have that X amount of dollars, you can't participate. So if you're trying to get other people to join with you into a program, or sell those memberships or whatever they're selling, it's kind of hard to do it when it's set a little bit too high. So that's one of the first roadblocks. The second roadblock is a monthly fee. Well, that's the kicker. You know, maybe let's say even a smaller one, let's say around $35, and you say, well, I can afford $35, and then you find out it's $35 a month. You go, $35 a month. Well, am I going to be able to afford that? Am I going to be able to afford $35 a month? What if I don't make money right away? You know, most programs, you don't make money right away. It may take you a little while to get going with it, and people know that, so they're more timid if it's kind of expensive. Now there's a monthly fee involved with it, and you're going to lose a lot of people that if they had something good to work with, they could stay with it and they would make money, right? Now the other problem, or the third roadblock I like to talk about, is information overload. I mean, when they talk about it, you get all excited. Oh, we can make money. Look up to here. You're making 100,000. You're making $1 million. You've seen those charts, right? But then it's like, but you got to go on Wednesdays. You get paid 1/3 of 2% of this number, and it goes in real details. And you're like, wow, I don't understand all that. When you're at maybe a seminar or a webinar, you get excited, but then when you have to think about telling other people about it, you say, man, I don't know if I can sell that. That's just too much there. It's too much to even think about or cope about. That's information overload. So what you need is an affiliate program that is just plain and simple. Just tell me what to do. Maybe one thing. What's one thing I have to do, and that will make me money? And that's what we did actually with Make Money Even's affiliate program. It's one thing that if you do this one thing, you can end up making lots and lots of money. And again, you're guaranteed to make money your first day. Then we also have, oh yeah, a lot of these other programs go after tire kickers. And you know what I mean? Normally those are in the form of a startup where they have what's called a pre-launch, and people sign up for free, and then you say, wow, there's 50,000 people have signed for the pre-launch, 100,000 people, and maybe you're one of the first people to sign up. You said, this is so cool, there's 100,000 people signed up, we're about to launch, and we're all going to pay, and I'm going to be rich. And that's what you think about it, or you think, at least I'll make a lot of money. So what happens on launch day? You have 100,000 people there, you're at the very top, and you find out, hey, wait a minute, I didn't make any money at all, or maybe I just made a little bit of money. So what gives here? There's 100,000 people. Well, what it is they get people excited. They let anyone sign up for free, and a lot of these people are just tire kickers. They're looking for a hand out. They're not looking for a hand up. Here, help me make money. No, give me money. That's the mindset. But you can't really blame them for that either, because you're talking about how great this is and all this money you can make and stuff like that, right? So they all sign up for it, but on launch day, they all have to pay. Now, when it comes time to pay, and they go, oh, wait a minute, where's my money? Let me see the money first, and then I'll pay. Well, it doesn't work that way. People have to pay if they're going to earn, right? But so what happens? Out of 100,000 people, how many people you think will actually sign up? Normally 1, 2, or 3%. Sometimes you're lucky, it gets up to 5%, maybe a little bit more. But normally about 1, 2, or 3%. So out of 100,000 people, that's only 1,000, 2,000, or 3,000. And with being that number being that low, you're not making much money, or you may not make any money at all. So that's why, why do you want to bring in an affiliate program and have lots of people come in who do nothing? Because I'll tell you one thing, what they're going to do afterwards, they're going to badmouth the company. They're going to say, oh, I didn't make no money, this is a scam, this is a ripoff. They'll say stuff like that. And what does it do? It could destroy that new program before it even gets off the ground. So that's something we don't want at Make Money Even. That's why everyone who joins, they pay a one-time, they pay a fee of $10 to become a basic member. Now that's an annual fee. Now we do little programs, and some people will get that grandfathered in, and they won't have to pay even an annual fee. It's a lifetime fee. But the thing is, it's just a one-time fee of $10. But remember, we went back to the first point, right? We were talking about they're real expensive. Well, this is not real expensive. $10 is not real expensive. And even if you have to pay again, it's not $10 every month. It's $10 once a year. Now that's pretty good, right? But look at this too. Anyone who joins Make Money Even, when they log in after they pay their $10, they log into their account, what do you think they'll see? If you click on your profile, you'll see that, oh, I have a commission of, why do I got a commission? But you'll see a commission there of $10. So what does that mean? That means when you do your first commission withdrawal, you can withdraw that $10, right? Along with any other commissions that you have. So what that means is basically our affiliate program is free, but you do have to pay that $10 up front, and then you get rewarded with that. So why do we do that? For several reasons. Because one of the big problems that people have is they don't have any testimony when they join the program. Now, some people would like to talk about a program, and they would like to tell other people about it, but they don't have any personal testimony. Like, get this scenario. You see this great program, it's so cool, you love it, you sign up, you join, and now you start telling others, because guess what? When you tell other people about it, they buy their memberships or whatever, products, whatever it is. What's going to happen is that you get paid a commission, and that's really cool. So you tell other people about this great program, and then so you tell Johnny, hey Johnny, you got to join it, it's a great program, people are making thousands. Then he says, have you made any money? And you go, well, not yet, because I just joined, but people are making thousands, and I'm going to be one of them. It's really good. He goes, well, it sounds like an okay program, but I'll tell you what, once you start making money with it, you let me know. Meanwhile, let me show you what I'm doing, because I'm making money with my program. So he has a testimonial, but you don't. So what this does is when you sign up and you join, guess what? You made $10. You actually broke even immediately right there, right? So you made money when? On your very first day. You are guaranteed to make money on your first day. And you can say, oh yeah, I joined, and guess what? I made money on my first day. And guess what again? They guarantee you will make money on your first day. And even if you join only as a basic member, if that's all you do on that day, guess what? You're guaranteed to at least break even on your first day. It's that good. It's a guarantee. And they say, well, tell me more about it. And then you can get in to tell them about how you make money with advertising and marketing. They show you how to do it and all this great stuff. But the thing is, it gives you a personal testimony. So that's a big, big, big benefit. So you get to join. It's a low cost. It's an annual fee, not a monthly fee. It gives you an instant testimonial. It's very simple that you just set up and join. But guess what? Then you get your money back. So what can you say about that? You make money your first day. You have all the guarantees. Okay, now I'm going to reveal to you the number one roadblock, the biggest roadblock that stops you from making money with all these other programs. And that roadblock is the fear of talking to other people, the fear of sponsoring people and recruiting. I mean, I've been in programs and people said, I don't know how to sponsor people. What do I do? And then, they try to tell you all these different things. You try to learn the techniques. But basically, it comes down to you talking to people, and you don't want to talk to people. That's a big fear for a lot of people. So what we've done here is we are using a free lead system. You'll get a free lead system once you become a member of Make Money Even. And once you set up the free lead system, it will give leads to you automatically through copy and paste. There's pre-written ads in the system. You copy them and you paste them. You copy them and you paste them. Where do you paste them at? You paste them in your social media accounts. Like you can do Facebook, you can do Reddit, you can do LinkedIn, you can do Instagram, wherever you do social media, you can put these ads there. You can do them every day. You do it once a week. The more you do it, the better your results. The more you do it, and the more the different platforms that you use, the better the results. And once you start getting leads, what's really cool is that they will be exposed to Make Money Even. So they click on the link, they'll see this page, they'll learn about how to make money and how they're guaranteed to make money on the first day, something they've never seen before. How many companies guarantee you will make money on your first day? They get exposed to that. And not only that, these leads that you get, they will also be passing new leads to you. So, and those leads that get passed to you will give you free leads as well. So you're just not bringing in leads just by yourself, but they're going to bring in leads, and they'll bring in leads, and they're going to bring in leads, and they're going to pass up leads to you. It's an amazing system. You'll see your leads get bigger and bigger and bigger. The more you out there and copy and paste, the more results you'll see. Then you'll start seeing people sign up to Make Money Even. When they sign up, what happens? You get paid $5. They sign up for 10. They get their money back. They're happy. You made $5. Now they know they can do the same thing. They'll use their free lead system. They'll get people in that way, copy and paste. And guess what? They'll get people to sign up. They'll pay $10, and then they'll get $5 for that. But that's just the tip of the iceberg, because in the next video, I'm going to show you how much money you can make with the basic membership sales, and also with sales of the VIP marketer. Now that's just two ways. There's lots of ways you make money and Make Money Even as an affiliate marketer, as promoting our affiliate program. But I'm just going to show you two of these ways. It's going to blow your socks off. It's amazing. Using the free lead system, and all the other roadblocks have been removed. Remember, It's not a big fee, it's a small fee. It's not a monthly fee, it's a small annual fee, right? Is it information overload? No. All you have to do is copy and paste. Do you like to talk to people? Well, it's better to have a testimonial. If you do, now you have a testimonial. But it all comes down to, I don't know what to do. Just let me copy and paste what's been written for me. And then we even show you how to increase the odds of those people signing up with Make Money Even for you. Oh, and also, you can even make money from your free lead system even if they don't join Make Money Even. It's really cool. Anyway, watch this next video. It's going to blow you away. Remember, this video I'm going to show you is exciting, and it's all done through copy and paste. It's amazing. So I'll see you later on the next video. Thank you.